Here's how you unfreeze a Galaxy Tab A pad or phone. I will show you how to do that. This one is froze up on me and it's giving me those little error messages and it won't do anything. It won't shut off. It won't, you hit the buttons, nothing's working. Here's what you do to get out of that. It's pretty simple. If you look at the right here, you'll see the buttons, the volume buttons, the volume up and the volume down, and the power button. What you want to do is push the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Let's get a little closer so I can do this and hold them down at the same time. Alright, took about 10 seconds and there we go. Now it's reset. You do not lose your information. It just resets it. If you had like a program up or anything like that, it does not delete your information or anything like that. It just restarts it. That's all it does. Alright, it's as simple as that. Volume down and power button. Hold it for about 10 seconds and then it will reset. Oh, there we go. Alright. That's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Bye.